11,000 kilometers. That is the distance separating California, US from Xinjiang, China. Recently, a group of California middle school students have arrived in Urumqi. They toured the Xinjiang International Grand Bazaar and took in the beauty of Tianshan Tianchi Scenic Area. But these were not their main goal. They came to Xinjiang for 2 youth football friendship matches. Today, the final match is about to kick off. Their opponents are the youth football team from Taichung Prefecture. Before kickoff, they faced a small problem, a shortage of players. Luckily, several local students volunteered, sleeping on the US team's jerseys to join the game. As US coach Pablo Salazar said, football is a universal language. Once you are on the pitch, you just understand each other.
Very good communication. We had 4 players join us, and I'm very happy that they joined us. I think it's one of the most special moments of our trip. Once we were on the field, it was like almost like we spoke the same language. And 1, 2, 3, Fly Tigers!
With their line on field, the US team engaged in a fierce contact against Taichung team. Early on, Taichung drew first blood. Undeterred, the US side studied their formation and found their rhythm. 14-year-old forward Luis Palacio scored 2 goals in quick successions, instantly lifting his team's morale.
I feel good about these 2 goals that I've scored, and I think we could get a winner.
When the final whistle blew, the score was tied 4-4. The subsequent penalty shootout was nail-biting. In the end, the US team narrowly won.
They're fun to play with. It's like a new experience. Like, they're really good.
After the final whistle, the Chinese and US players were generous in praising one another.
He was our right back. He was holding it down on defense. I think working defensively, I think that's something that we struggled with the past 2 games here in China. So he was a big help.
他们踢得特别棒，脚底下带球技术非常的好，然后他们之间的配合也特别好，值得我们学习。
For these US teenagers, the clear skies over Urumqi may remind them of California's sunshine. Yet everything here feels wonderfully new.
My hometown doesn't have any nature like this. It's very beautiful, like the water, all the trees, the mountains. Probably even in pictures, it doesn't look nothing like this. So phenomenal, like that they would have to come here to see it.
Some of them liked learning about the culture, going to the museums. The other students just like walking through the bazaar. And they'll go up to anybody and they'll start interacting with them. And you see that at the very end of the interaction, they're hugging and taking photos together. I wouldn't say that they're liking it. I would say that they're loving it. They don't want to go back home.
They traveled halfway across the globe for breathtaking scenery, tasty food, and to hone their football skills. Yet they were capable for more than that.
It doesn't matter what the final score is. You created new friendships, new bonds, and opportunity to explore the rest of this beautiful country. What is the purpose of student exchange? What's the purpose of a friendly competition between 2 cultures? It's to bring cultures together to unite and bond.
The final whistle signals the end of the game, yet the voyage of friendship has just set sail. The 11,000-kilometer distance is quietly bridged by every pass and every hug. When they head home, they carry opposing teams' jerseys and group photos in their luggage. Their hearts are filled with fond memories of China's Xinjiang and hopes for future reunions.
Next year, I'm gonna be more prepared.